In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Airbnb discount code. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to tap, and how to make sure your coupon is saved and ready for your next booking. First, head to the Airbnb website in your browser or open the Airbnb app on your phone or tablet. Using the official site or the latest version of the app helps ensure everything looks and works the way I'm describing. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that you're comfortable completing the process on the device you'll be using most often for bookings. Next, log into your account. Enter your usual credentials and confirm you're in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. Coupons are tied to a single account, so you want to redeem the code where you intend to book. If you're on a shared device, it's a good idea to sign out when you're done to keep your account secure. Once you're in, open your profile or menu. On desktop, click your profile photo or your initials in the top corner. On mobile, tap the profile tab or the menu icon. This takes you to your account options. From there, go to Account, then choose Payments. The wording may vary slightly by region, but you're looking for the section that manages your payment methods and credits. This is where Airbnb stores coupon information and any credits you've received. Now, select Coupons. This page shows any saved coupons, their status, and when they expire. It's a helpful place to double-check details before you book. Tap or click Add Coupon. You should see a field where you can input your code. Take a moment to enter the discount code exactly as it appears. Watch out for dashes, uppercase letters, and any spaces. If you're pasting the code, make sure you don't accidentally include a space at the beginning or end. Many codes are time-limited, region-specific, or single-use, so accuracy matters here. When the code looks correct, click Redeem. If it's valid and eligible for your account, you'll see a confirmation message. Your coupon is now saved to your account. That means when you go to check out on an eligible reservation later, the discount will be available to apply automatically or as an option during payment. Remember, most coupons can't be combined and won't apply to past bookings. That's it. You've added your Airbnb discount code, and it's safely stored on your account, ready for your next trip. Happy travels, and enjoy the savings on your upcoming stay.